I want to embrace. I don't know if that's a song even, guys, but let's go with it. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing blah, blah, blah. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm doing a Pride makeup look. This is the makeup look that I have created. I love it so much. If you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. You want to see how I created this look, carry on watching the video. Yo! Before I apply any makeup, I always put a headband around my hair just in case any hair falls on me. So I am using, as a primer, I'm using my Simple cleanser. It is so good because it is summer now. I do like to put a cleanser on before my makeup instead of a primer. So yeah, that is what I am doing. Next, I am moving on to my foundations. So I'm using my Rimmel London and my Kiko Milano foundation. I squirt both of them on my hands and then I will mix them together so it doesn't make my face cakey or anything. It is so smooth and these foundations are my favourites to use. Next, I'm moving on to my concealer. So this concealer is the collection one, the Last and Perfection one. And I put this all over my face and I also put it on my eyelids because when I put it on my eyelids, my eyeshadow stays on for much more longer. Now I'm moving on to contour. I am using the darkest shade and I contour all my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose and my chin. Now I'm moving on to highlighter. I'm using my favourite highlighter palette and I'm using a pink shade because it embraces the Pride makeup look and it makes it stand out and it glows so nice. I'm going to put it on my cheekbones, my nose and the top of my eyebrow. So now I'm moving on to my eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using 3 or 4 colours today. So the first one I'm going to be using is a very light brown. So now I'm going to move on to my next eyeshadow colour. So I'm going to be using a very bright pink for the bottom of my eyelid. This pink is like a hot pink and it is my favourite shade. So I just will go over with that. Next shade I am doing for my eyeshadow is a purple. It's a very bright purple, but I do like it and I put it all over my eyelid. So the next eyeshadow colour is going to be a very glittery, rosy, pinky colour. I'm going to be putting it all over my eye and this makes it more colourful and more brighter. First steps of my eyeshadow look is I'm going to be choosing this gold and putting it underneath my eyes and this will stand out so much. I'm going to be moving on to the glitter now. As you guys know, I love glitter. So this makes my Pride makeup look more better. So I'm just going to be applying it on the top of my nose and this makes it stand out a little bit more and it makes it more colourful and brighter. Now I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows
with my brow brush and my brow mascara. I always fill my brows in anyway, and yeah, so I just fill in with my brow mascara and they make them look much more darker, and that is what I like. So I'm going to be moving on to mascara. Today I'm choosing a green mascara from Kiko Milano. I don't usually use this mascara because I don't really like it. But because it's a Pride Month makeup look, you've got to use it as much colours as you possibly can. So yeah, so that is why I'm using it today. The last stage of my Pride makeup look. So I like to prep my lips with my Vaseline cocoa butter so my lips feel so much smoother when I apply my lipstick or lip gloss on it. So then I'm going to be applying my Primark purple lipstick. I don't really use it that much, but I'm starting to a lot more now, and this makes my Pride makeup look natural as well. And then after I've applied that on, I will be applying my lip gloss in pink over it so my lips look nice and glossy. That is the end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed the video, guys, as much as I enjoyed filming it. Because it is Pride Month, I thought I would do this makeup look because I love to raise awareness for Pride, and it's so important to embrace it all because this is such a colourful makeup look, which is very good for Pride Month. You can use it for any colour look if you wanted to. As it is Pride Month, I think it's so important to share the love for any person because it is so important. And I've got so many friends who are gay, lesbian, transgender. It doesn't matter what they are still a person at the end of the day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye.